Assalamu alaikum, my beloved students of class 5. How are you all? Hope you all are fine by the kindness of Allah the Exalted. Alhamdulillah, I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. This is Wahednur, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today I am going to conduct the class of Islamic Studies for class 5. And today our topic is SQ, it means short question, part 1 from exercise chapter 1 and lecture number 9, HW number 7. My beloved students, I am showing you, I didn't discuss 2 pages from your book. This page, Moral Benefits of Faith in Akhirat, and page number 17, this part, and page number 18, this part, and MCQ, all of the MCQ. So already I told you last class of YouTube, this is out of the short syllabus. That's why I started from question answer, short question answer you will get in your book, page number 20 from exercise. And last class we have finished fill in the blanks and matching. So see the answer what here saying. Short question answer from exercise. There are 5 short questions in your book. Number 1 is, what is the meaning of the word Iman? It's very easy answer. Answer, Iman means to have faith. To have faith to the Almighty Allah. Allah is one, etc. etc. Okay, then question number 2. Who is the Rabb or sustainer of the universe? So answer is, Almighty Allah is the Rabb of the universe. You can write Almighty Allah is the sustainer of the universe, or Almighty Allah is the Rabb of the universe, same. Now question number 3, what is our deen? Or this question can come like that, what is the name of our deen? Or it can be changed by of this word, what is your deen? It can be, or what is the name of your deen? So answer will be same. The name of our deen is Islam. Now question number 4. Write the Arabic expression which we use to show our gratitude to Allah. Students, here said write the Arabic expression. The question is saying write the Arabic expression for showing the gratitude to Almighty Allah. But when you will write, don't write in Arabic. If you can write Arabic, that's okay, but it's not mandatory for writing the answer in Arabic. But when you will utter, for example, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, I am uttering in Arabic, but when I will write, it can be write any of the language, Bangla or English or Farsi or Arabic or any of the language, but uttering time it will be uttered in Arabic. So here said write the Arabic expression which we use to show our gratitude to Allah. So answer is, we will say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, to show our gratitude to Allah. It means we are taking many of the bounties from the Almighty Allah, many of the facilities from the Almighty Allah. So for taking that facilities from the Almighty Allah, we should say Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. This is called the expression for showing the gratitude to Almighty Allah. I hope you understood. Now last question, question number 5. What is the meaning of Akhirat? Answer, Akhirat means life after death or hereafter. So you can write anyone, life after death or hereafter or next life, all are correct. Students, now see the HW number 7. The topic is short question 1 to 5, only answer. Chapter 1 from exercise. I mean this is your HW, but when you will do your HW, don't pick up the question. Students, you will do your HW, this short question answer, but no need to pick up the question. You will write like this. For example, question 1 ANS. Then you will write the answer. Then question 2 ANS. Then you will write the answer. So like that you will pick up your HW and submit every Saturday 9 AM to 3 PM to abide by your parents. And if you face any problem by YouTube channel class, then ask me in the live class. See you next class inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.